We are here again with yet another video on LeetCode problem solutions. We will be going to discuss LeetCode problem, which is first unique character in a string. Let's get started. Let's read out the problem description, which says, given a string, find the first non-repeating character in it and return its index. So we have to find the first non-repeating character and we have to return the index where that character is there. If it doesn't exist, then return -1. So we have to consider all the edge test cases here. So let's go to the blackboard for it. So the example we are taking is, let's say, s equals to LeetCode, and here L is the first unique character, so our program should return 0 since its index is 0, right? So from this example we can see L occurs only one time, E occurs 3 times, T occurs 1 time, C occurs 1, likewise O and D. But L is the first character. If we try to traverse from left to right, we can say, so here if we traverse from left to right, the first character will be L, which is having character count as 1, right? So like that we have to find. Let's take one other example which is given here. Love LeetCode, right? It's right here we can see L occurs 2 times. Okay, likewise O occurs also 2 times, but V occurs only 1 time. We see from left to right, but this we can't predict if as soon as we are here, right? We still have to traverse till the end of our string length, and then only we will be able to say if that character is the first one which is having the count as 1. So here we can use hash map to store the character count. So the key will be the character and the value will be the count of its character. But in hash map the order isn't maintained, so we have to again iterate the map and we have to see if that character occurs before E, right? But we can also use one other data structure, which is linked hash map, because in that insertion order is maintained. So one approach is to go with hash map, and the other approach is also using the counting sort. That approach I have covered, like how to count the chars and store it into one array. I have covered in anagrams lecture. I will give the link to the description, but let's see it here how it will look like. So we will be taking an integer array of 26 characters, because there are only 26 characters, and they have also mentioned, like, we can assume the string contains only lowercase English letters, so there are 26. And to store it, as soon as, like, let's say as soon as L occurs, we will do the ASCII of L minus the ASCII of A, small character A, right? Because in that way we will get the ASCII of L. So let's say if it is C, okay, C minus, and A ASCII character is 97 and C ASCII character is 99, so we will get 2, okay, and at that position we will increment from, like, initial it will all be 0, we will increment it to 1. Likewise we try to fill our integer array likewise, and again we will iterate through our string, and we will see from here if the count of that character is 1, we will just return that character. So let's see it in the code how we will do it. The time complexity of this approach will be big of n, and space complexity will be big of 1, because we are only taking one integer array. Yeah, let's try to see if it doesn't exist, then return -1, like the edge test case for it. Let's try to code it. If s is equals to null, or s dot is empty, right? In both these cases, just return -1, right? Now we will be taking, so this case, let's s can be null, or the length of s can be 0. So in that case we have to return -1, right? Now we are taking 26 characters integer array. I will traverse our dot our string to right. Now I will do ch of s dot caret I minus a. So this, what we are doing, if c is there, right? So c minus a, and whatever is there plus plus. So if 0 will be there, increment it to 1. Yeah, so after this for loop, we will be having our integer array filled. Like it will be something like this only, but here all those character count will be there, but from 0 to 26 index, right? Now again we have to iterate it, and we will see if ch is similar to this. If that character count is double equals to 1, right? Because as that will ensure like it is non-repeating character, and as we are traversing it from left to right, it will be the first character. So we have to return its index, right? So index will be I only, and let's assume if all the if it doesn't satisfy this if condition, then we'll have to return -1 in all the other cases, right? Let's try to run this code. Perfect. And try to submit it. Cool.